do we got? What do we got? Guys, we had a beautiful day yesterday trading. It's been a good week actually. It's been a beautiful week. Let's keep that momentum for the rest of the week. And with that said, we're jumping straight into it. Why is that? It's because I'm seeing an entry for gold right now. So let's get straight into it. Let's see if we can take this gold trade. Let me just see, so I'm sharing the right screen here. All right. Okay, so this is the gold trade. Entry now for buy. We have a, if you're looking at this, if you're listening to this, 1 viewer so far, well, popping in, coming in. So guys, for everybody coming in, entry gold now, buy entry for gold now. Our entry zone is, this might drop a little bit further, but this is the entry zone. So right now we're at the top of the entry zone. Right now we're at the top of the entry zone. We just hit it, moved up a little bit. We'll probably come down more. So you'll probably see the market bounce off, because you see it's getting squeezed between the 200 and the 20-day EMA. It's getting squeezed. So I'll see this market come down here, maybe test lows a little bit to move up again. All right. I'm gonna remove some of these drawings. All of this is from yesterday. Yeah, it's good targets, but we want to start fresh from scratch. So entry gold right now. All right, next question is, where do we put the stop loss? We put the stop loss, let's investigate that. And if you're coming in on the stream late or watching the recording, this trade must still be valid, because New York market hasn't opened yet, which means gold is not so volatile right now, because it's paired against the US dollar. So it's very dependent of the US market being open. Let's see this. All right, gold entry, we got stop loss. Then I will put, let's remove this as well. What's this one? So let's remove that as well. I'm seeing something right now also that I didn't saw before. I'm seeing this triangle pattern. All right, nice. We even got it. Even if you want to pull the trend from here, you got it. Just marking it, just making you aware of that. So once again, gold entry now. Oh, we got a perfect entry now. And I see all of this yellow zone here being the entry zone. So all of this is the entry zone. Between the 1827 and 1831-ish, we would say. are the entry levels? Let's type it down. 18 entry zone. Buy entry zone. What did we say? 27, 18, 31. Yeah, I know it's 40 pips in between there, but we're looking for a bigger move. That's it. Let's go on a bigger time frame. Just want to check something. Yeah. And if anything, let me know in the chat box. Also, if there's a certain pair you want me to check out, analyze. Yeah, it's looking good. All right. So what we have a key zone. It's not a key zone, but it's a strong zone that is important to pay attention to. And it's this zone right here. See how precise I can get it. Let's get it from here. This is a major support and resistance zone. Let's check it out in detail. All right, that was my alarm triggered. So the buy is very, very good right now. At a perfect buy zone right now. For y'all that came in now, we have a buy on gold. Buy on gold. You see the buy zone here. So the price is at 1830 right now. So we are at the upper level of this buy zone. If you guys got nerves of steel and want to wait until the buy entry gets better or more optimal, then y'all can wait, but you never know what the market is going to do. It might reverse from here and just pop up, but right now, I don't expect that to happen because, as I said before, the New York session is not open. The US market is closed for a couple of hours more, and during that time, because gold is paired against the US dollar, you won't see very much volatility inside the market. So we're in the zone, and I'm gonna remove this one. I'm gonna remove this one for a sec. This one as well, just to clean it up here a little bit, because I want to make you aware of this zone here. So we got a zone that is this zone starts at, let me do like this so I can see it better. Maybe that's too much. Yeah, white is better. All right, so we got a zone that starts at 1829-ish and goes all the way up to about 1833. Now this zone is a very, very strong support and resistance zone. So let's say, for example, that's why also I'm calling this entry here, because it's a very big chance that the market, you know, like look at this. So this is a very strong support and resistance zone, right? This whole white zone that I've marked out, that was not nice. This whole white zone, right? And what has happened is market came, found resistance, came back to retest it and broke straight through. And it's now retesting it. So we have a retest going on right now. If this retest holds, and this is what we're going to see. It depends a lot on the Dixie, because we need to see dollar drop for this to happen. It doesn't have to drop, but if the dollar drops, that will be very good for this gold trade. So we're in a perfect entry right now if you want to enter this gold trade, and what we want to see is just a straight, very nice bounce off. It correlates perfectly with the 20-day EMA. As you see, it's testing the 200-day EMA right now. The 200-day EMA is the red line that you see here. So we'll let it play for a while. Entries now, anyways, and I must set out take profit targets so you guys know what we're aiming for. So let's look at take profits. Where do we put our take profits for this trade? It's basically the same like yesterday, because we haven't done much. We're still in the same swing. We're still in this sequence here. So let me remove this so that we can see it better. So honestly, like it's basically the same levels as yesterday. As you see, the first take profit target is, yeah, I want to put one lower. This one here is definitely a take profit target, or maybe not take profit 1. A little bit too high up to put it as take profit 1. That would probably be take profit 2. Let's look at the 50-minute time frame. Okay, let's go to the hourly time frame. Let's go to the hourly time frame. Let's remove this. Gold is moving down. I know why gold is moving down. It's moving down because we got the Dixie pumping. Yep. But the Dixie is also at a reversal level. So let's see if this holds or not. This hole here is basically a resistance level. So let's see if that holds or not. Back to gold. First take profit would be, if you enter at about 1830, I would put first take profit at 1834.20, or just 1834 is good. 1834 is good. This will be my take profit 1. Take profit 2. Definitely take profit 3. Just underneath the top of the sweet spot zone. Take profit 4. That one is a challenge. We're letting it ride all the way to the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement and see if it rejects that or not. So I will put take profit 4 here. Right. So as I said before, key zone, this white zone, very strong resistance and support zone. As you see previously, goes all the way, I think it's back, yeah, here. Resistance, support, 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 broke through, support, resistance, resistance, and now support again. So now let's see if it holds. We at the bottom of this entry zone right now, so it's gonna be interesting to see. You can put it like this, you can remove this, delete it. We can mark out the sweet spot zone. It's good for us to know, so we can remove the fibs. Well, you know what? Let's keep the fibs. Let's keep the fibs. So we got them there. Cool. Let's leave this for now. Let's look at AUD CAD while we're waiting to see how gold plays out. All right, let's look at AUD CAD. So yesterday we had a very nice AUD CAD trade, and y'all saw me breaking it down live with y'all. Martin, I don't know if you're on the stream, but he asked me to analyze it. Oh, I'm missing the... Hola, Gustavo. Yeah, I appreciate it, Swen. Thank you very much. Appreciate it, Swen. The stop loss is... Oh, Martin called it up. Nice. Let me see. Let's go back to gold. Actually, happy you remind me because I didn't even say the stop loss. I didn't write the stop loss. Oh, perfect. Yo, Sven, man, you are on point. Appreciate you, brother. I would even say just 1826 blank. Like this. This is the stop loss. So, Sven, I hope you got it. And appreciate your words. Good morning, Staffy. Gustavo. Let's do this. All right. Back to the AUD CAD trade. So, Martin, first off, thank you for giving me the tip on analyzing it. You know, so we jumped into it yesterday when it was about here at this zone. And it should be in the description box. If it's not, then I will put it there as soon as this recording is finished. So you just go to the live videos, to live recorded videos on the channel, and you watch in the description box for the videos, and you will see the link to the Telegram channel there. That's where I post all the setups. I post the trades and a lot more. So there's a lot more coming because we got actually a prosperous newsletter that will come out every week with not only trading tips and information, but online income trading tips and online income tips and information. So it will cover everything that has to do with online income, just as the prosperous YouTube channel does. We are about prospering through online income, through online entrepreneurship, and one of those methods is trading. So that's that. All right, back to AUD CAD. So we called out this trade yesterday. It hit TP2 this night. So I hope y'all still in the trade. Hit TP2, and to be honest with you, TP3 looks strong. Like we're on a strong downtrend right now, and I definitely see this retracing all the way to TP3. But let's take a look at it again. So I pulled the fib from this bottom to this top. So it covers this sequence, right? And TP2 was at the bottom of the sweet spot zone for this sequence. So what we're looking for now is for the market, maybe it's going to move up a little bit, bounce off the 38.2 fib, to then move down to this demand zone. So we got a big demand zone here, a lot of demand. Oh snap. And also that conflues perfectly with a lot of unfilled orders that you see in these candles right here. So these needs to be filled. We almost halfway through, but to see that properly done, I would see the market come down all the way here to the demand zone. So this trade is definitely still active. As I said, probably come up, retest the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement to come down to this demand zone. That's what we're seeing for AUD CAD. Was perfect entry, but I got break even because of the night overall spread cut me off. Oh shit, sorry man. Yeah, I know. Probably some of y'all got stopped at a break even because I told you guys to move the stop loss to break even yesterday. And the thing is, when I said that, let's look at that. So entry was in the zone. This was the entry zone, right? And let's take this one. This was the entry zone. And when we came down and smashed TP1, told you guys to move the stop loss to break even. Then we came back up, as you guys see, these tops. So depending on where you guys entered here, you either got stopped out at break even or you're still in the trade. So hopefully most of you are still in the trade. Martin, I'm sorry to hear that. But hopefully you got a nice bag anyway. Remember, we should not, like in trading, never think about what you didn't get. This is the mindset that I see is very common. It's a lot of people have. Like they think about the profits that they didn't take. Bro, enjoy the profits that you took and be grateful for it, because if you focus on those small profits that you take all the time consistently and accumulate them, trust me, you will build up a nice portfolio. You will build up a nice some nice capital in your trading account. But if you keep focusing on the trades, on the profits that you missed, what will happen is that you will start chasing those bigger profits. And when you chase those bigger profits, that's when you make those big losses as well. So be happy for the profits you have. Take profit 1, take profit 2. That's super. That's fantastic. Those days you hit take profit 3, take profit 4. That's just a bonus. That's just a blessing. So then we're happy for that. Gold is on the move. Oh yeah, it is. I hope you guys entered when I told you. And we are soon to hit take profit 4. Hey guys, wait. I might. Sorry. I have to go back to bed and sleep a little bit so I learned to speak properly. Man, I'm saying a lot of fucked up shit here. Take profit 1. We might have to adjust it. Why is that? Because I'm seeing something. I'm seeing something. To secure. 1 second. All right. So, if you guys entered here, if this were your entry zone, how can you say, the ultimate entry zone at about 1830, then you want to put your first take profit at 1832.6, 1832.6. All right, that's where you want to have your first take profit, because gold might do this and go down. So we want to secure this, secure some of the profits, take some of the money off the table, reduce the risk. Is always what we do. Like I always stress, risk management, super important. You have a good risk management, then you have good trading, you have a good portfolio, you have a good trading account, and you will make money. That's just what it is. So, so having good take profits, it's included in the good risk management. Because why? what happens is you close down some of the positions that you're in and you secure some profits. So even if the market reverses later and you hit the stop loss, your stop loss, your loss won't be as big as it would have been if you didn't secure any profits. So always try to secure a little bit. Sven is in. Nice. Love that. Yo, let me know in the chat box how many of y'all is in. We got 5 people right now on this on the stream. Let me know if any more than Sven is in the trade. All right, look at this. This is what will happen. Gold will face resistance against the 20-day EMA. Watch. You'll see. You come here and they stop playing around. So this first take profit target is perfect. And as I said, this first take profit is at 1832.7. 1832.7. Nice, Martin. Love that. This is good. I'm gonna remove this. See if I can get it right. Yeah. So we can see things better. This is nice. We love to see this. On the 5-minute time frame, gold just broke above the 20-day EMA and open up a new candle above it, and it's testing it right now. We got 1 minute left, so let's see if this holds. We want to see this hold. Either way, this take profit should be hit soon. Oh shit, it's testing it downwards. Let's see if this holds. Let's go to Dixie, see what's going on here. Yeah, it's Dixie playing around. Man, Dixie looks strong. I don't like that. That's the gold. For y'all that don't know, the Dixie is the gold index. Sorry, the dollar index. I'm telling you, my head ain't straight today. The Dixie is the dollar index. It's a basket of currencies paired against the US dollar. Not paired against US dollar, but compared against US dollar. So it's the Japanese yen. It's the what is it? It's the Japanese yen, the Schweiz francs. It's I think it's the Chinese yuan. We got, I think Swedish krona is there also as well. The UK sterling, the British sterling pound is there. So that's what's happening. They have this basket of foreign currencies that they compare the US dollar against, and that determines how basically the value of US dollar according to the Dixie. That's the Dixie, the US dollar index. What it's doing right now, we have this major support and resistance zone, this white zone that you guys see here, and it's rejecting it right now, but it's testing it. And to be honest with you, it looks quite strong. So we got the 20-day EMA following along as support, and what's going to happen is the 20-day EMA and this support zone, resistance zone, is going to create a squeeze. So this is going to be a squeeze that you see here. And that squeezes like that most often result in market shooting in either direction. I actually don't know if this is, I think this is a bullish squeeze we got here. I don't look at patterns for gold for US dollar very much, because US dollar doesn't follow, oh snap, doesn't follow patterns or things like that, like gold or different currency pairs does. It follows volume, it follows demand, it follows supply. That's what it does. And it follows fundamentals. So news, things like that is always very, very important when it comes to trading the pairs that are against the US dollar, especially gold. So gold is moving up again. It's getting close to our take profit. Let's hit this take profit live. That would be nice on the stream. We need about, what do we need? We need 6 more pips, 7 more pips. No, 6 more pips. and we're good. Hey, let me ask you guys, who were in the trades yesterday? Martin, I know you were in the AUD CAD trade. Who were in the gold trades yesterday? Yo, Estonians in the house. Oh, Martin, you're from the Estonian team. Love that. Love that. Welcome, man. Estonia is lit. Love it. I was there 2 weeks ago on an event, and man, these people are amazing. Love you guys. So basically, what is now is just I just want to see this thing hit live. I'm not gonna look for any other trades right now. We're gonna focus on gold. We're gonna let AUD CAD run, but we're gonna check out. We gotta check out Bitcoin. While we're looking for gold to do its thing, we gotta check out Bitcoin and see what's going on there. And in Bitcoin, we actually got a swing trade that's been running for a while now. And I definitely see this trade coming down to hit our take profit 4, that is at 22,200. Got in yesterday. Nice. Love it, Daniel. What is? So we got take profit 4 at 22,200, and I want to see. So what happened now is we rejected the bottom of the sweet spot zone, and which is the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, and came up to test the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement as resistance, still on the same swing. And now we see it coming down. So it will come down, it will test this 200-day EMA, and then hopefully it comes down to pick up some supply here in the supply zone, and that's when our take profit 4 will be triggered, which is 22,200 if you're not in this trade already. So gold, this really became a swing trade. It has been running for a couple of days now, but it's been a good trade, very profitable, and hopefully from what we see is going to become very much more profitable soon when it hits our take profit 4. So we still very much optimistic with this trade. We broke out from this channel, came down to create this big channel. Guys, let me do this so you don't get confused. We got 2 channels here. We got this channel, and we got a smaller channel inside this big channel. All right. So we were here ranging inside this channel, and we broke down, and that's when we created this bigger channel. And we broke above again, came again to test the highs, the resistance of the trend line in this channel, and now we came down, found support, broke below, bounced off the 200-day EMA, and found resistance against the previous sloping support that you see here. So against this trend line that was acting as support. Now we found resistance against it. All right, and we love to see that. We love to see the market retesting a certain zone from support to as resistance. This confirms the sell that we're in. The sell that we entered at about 24,700 US dollars. And now we're just waiting for this market to come down, test the 200-day EMA, and then move down to our last take profit, which is the take profit 4 at 22,200. So let's watch that happen. What is gold doing? Let's get back to gold. So here, no trade right now. You could, the thing is like this. I definitely see a sell from here, but I wouldn't enter it right now. So it's a risky trade. We got a sell here, but the market might do something like this before it comes down. I don't think so. It has already tested it 2 times, and it just broke below the 20-day EMA on the 4-hourly time frame, which is very strong. We're inside this very strong support and resistance zone, testing it from underneath as resistance. So this very strong signs for a sell here if you want to enter Bitcoin, but for you guys that are already in the trade that I called out last week from 24,700, don't do anything. Don't open any more positions. Keep your positions, be happy with them, and let's watch take profit 4 hit. Now let's see what gold does. Hey, has it triggered TP1 for any of y'all? Because I see that it came up and just sniffed at it. Gold hit TP1. Love it, Sven. Nice. Martin, did you get it as well? Daniel, are you in the gold trade? By the way, I'm asking you guys. Let me watch myself if I'm in or not. Sorry, if I TP or not. Love it. Love it. Yeah, I hit TP1. Yes, sir. Perfect. Guys, with that said, I'm gonna try to do on part 2 on the Fibonacci training tomorrow. I don't promise it. You will see. I will call out the live stream in the chats. Oh, okay, sorry. In the Signals group and sorry, in the Signals channel, and also for y'all that in the Free Minds, of course, always in the Free Minds trade room. That will be a part 2 of the Fibonacci training, looking at the extension levels, and I'll teach you a very simple strategy that you use with Fibonacci and that I use a lot. So with that said, I wish you guys a blessed day. Thank you guys for watching, for spending this morning with me. Stay prosperous. Peace, and I'm out.